Hello everyone, I'm meteorologist Charlie Neese. It is the 27th of February, 2025. We have seen one whale of a turnaround in our temperatures where the northern plains last week, minus 30 to 35 degrees from North Dakota, South Dakota, back into eastern Montana. This week, some of those same areas have had highs in the 60s. That is a 90-degree turnaround in our temperatures over the last week. Parts of the east have been very warm as well. Nashville on Wednesday the 26th set a record high of 80. And we are seeing some slightly cooler air move across the east today, the 27th, and that's going to mean a cooler weekend as we head through Saturday and Sunday. But we are going to see warmer air returning as we work into next week, and we're going to see the return of a chance of severe weather, potentially significant severe weather, and the storm systems are going to become more active and more numerous as we go through March. For today, though, the watch warning map is fairly calm, just some fog advisories along the Gulf Coast, winter weather advisories that I'll cover here in just a moment for the Northeast, and some spotty wind advisories for the nation's midsection back into the Rockies. All right, temperatures here, very warm compared to where we were last week. Again, parts of South Dakota, North Dakota into the 50s and 60s today, and then 60s all the way down into Texas. Now, Texas on Tuesday, Wednesday, we had highs in the 80s here, places like Dallas, and we were very warm for places like Oklahoma City. This front that's been pushing toward the east that right now is located from Virginia back into North Carolina, Georgia, and Alabama. Behind it, slightly cooler with temperatures running 10 to 15 degrees cooler than we were just yesterday. Nashville, Little Rock, Oklahoma City, back into Dallas. But the coldest of the air is staying bottled up to the north of us. And as I put this into motion, you'll see the coldest of the air continues over the Great Lakes, northeast, back up into Canada. It does briefly give a visit to the eastern part of the country as we go through Saturday and especially on Sunday. Sunday across the northeast will be into New England, will be pretty cold with temperatures in the teens and a few single digits. The Great Lakes region will be pretty chilly as well. And places like Nashville will be cooler with highs between 45 and 50 on Sunday versus the 80 that you had earlier in the week. But this is a brief shot of cold air. It retreats back to the north starting Monday, and even more as we head into Tuesday, being replaced by much warmer air. But that warmer air is coming in ahead of that next front that means business and will be giving us that chance of severe weather. Here's the way it looks for today, the 27th, with some showers across the northeast and then some snow showers across New England. It's a quick, fast-moving system that'll be going through there. Much of the country quiet as we head into Friday, much of the country quiet as we head into Saturday as well. And then by Saturday night into Sunday, our next storm system, this is a small compact system, develops and gives some shower and thunderstorm chances for Kansas into Oklahoma, down into Texas. This is during the afternoon on Sunday. That weakens as it pushes off toward the east and the energy refocuses back to the west. And this beast forms and it comes out of Texas, Oklahoma, and Kansas, a 984 low as we head into Tuesday night and early Wednesday with a line of showers and thunderstorms. Some of those will be severe, and there could be some isolated tornadoes within this line. There will be a chance that any storms that develop ahead of the line also could have a higher tornado threat. But right now, it looks like most of that energy is going to stay focused right in that line. But this is something to pay attention to as we go through the next few days. And as I put that into motion, you can see that spread snows then through the Great Lakes after that on Wednesday, and things turn cooler behind that front as we go into the middle and latter part of next week. Now for the 27th, this is a system that's coming through the northeast that I mentioned with some snow from New England back into the northeast, mainly showers for parts of Pennsylvania and New York, but we'll see some snow showers, Vermont and New Hampshire up into Maine, and then that quickly pushes off toward the east, but a little bit of accumulating snow during the day, Thursday into early Friday for New England. All right, let's take a look at the jet stream energy with this system coming in on Thursday. And it's going to be a powerful system, not only at the surface, but also up at jet stream level. And that's going to be a powerful system that gives us that focused chance for severe weather across parts of the plains into the Mississippi River Valley, Tennessee River Valley, Ohio River Valley. This is the lead system right here that gives us some showers and thunderstorms across parts of Texas, Oklahoma, and Kansas as we head through your Sunday afternoon into Sunday evening. That weakens as it pushes off toward the east, and there comes the big system. This is A lot of jet stream energy with winds projected at jet stream level of upwards of 120 knots. At times, we've seen the models trying to put a slight negative tilt to that, which would increase the lift, which could enhance that storm chance. But we'll watch this very carefully as we head toward the actual event Tuesday into Wednesday. Just know that that is going to be a very strong system. Because of that, the Storm Prediction Center has already placed a 15 to 30% chance of severe weather within 25 miles of any one point. This is Tuesday into early Wednesday. That covers much of Tennessee, Arkansas, Mississippi, Alabama, the northwestern corner of Georgia, eastern Texas, and also much of Louisiana, with the highest potential for widespread severe weather, eastern Texas, northern Louisiana, southern Arkansas, and western Mississippi. So keep a heads up on that. Have your tornado safety plan ready to put into action if your area goes under a tornado warning again Tuesday into Wednesday of next week. Taking a look at the Climate Prediction Center's 6 to 10 day temperature outlook, calls for temperatures to be above average March 4th through the 8th across the eastern part of the country, especially along the Gulf Coast and the southern tip of Florida, and below average for parts of California, Nevada, and then back into the Rockies around Colorado. So that's the way the weather is looking right now. A slight cool down for the eastern part of the country as we head into the weekend. Some snows on Thursday for New England. And then we're going to turn our attention to that severe weather maker and that severe potential for Tuesday into Wednesday. If you need help formulating your severe weather safety plan for your family ahead of this tornado season, check out this video and then check out my YouTube shorts for lots of tornado facts and tornado safety tips as well. We'll see you soon.